Let's dive into the world of Sound POS to explore the incredible benefits of our point-of-sale solution. Whether you're a merchant or a reseller, you've found the perfect spot. Let's get started. Sound POS is a game changer for small to medium-sized businesses. It's not just a payment solution. It's a comprehensive system that streamlines various aspects of running your business. From inventory management to sales analytics, Sound POS is the backbone of efficient merchant payment operations. In this tour, we'll cover everything you need to know about running Sound POS, from taking payments to running reports. Sound POS is cloud-based, offering accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. This means you can monitor your business, check sales reports, and manage inventory, all from the convenience of your computer or mobile device. Our solution is also processor agnostic, allowing you the freedom to select your preferred payment processor and determine the rates that best suit your transaction processing needs. Setting up a store in Sound POS is simple and allows you to configure and customize your inventory, receipts, payment methods, and discounts. Begin by inputting basic store information such as the store name, address, and contact details. Now is the opportune moment to choose and input all the payment methods you intend to utilize. You also have the option to incorporate personalized payment options, such as Venmo or Cash App. Customize receipt templates to reflect your brand and include essential details. Next, establish tax rates and configure any applicable discounts or promotions. Then, proceed to define your product catalog by adding items, including detailed information like product names, prices, and relevant attributes. Now, you can organize your inventory by categorizing products and setting stock levels to manage supplies effectively. Lastly, explore reporting and analytics features to track sales, monitor inventory levels, and gain valuable insights into customer behavior. With Sound POS, the checkout process becomes faster and more accurate. It allows you to process transactions swiftly, accept various payment methods, and even manage customer loyalty programs. The result? Happy customers and increased sales. One of the key features of Sound POS is inventory management. Imagine having a real-time view of your stock levels, automatically updating as each sale is made. This not only prevents stockouts with low inventory alerts, but also helps in optimizing your ordering process, ensuring you always have what your customers want. Adjusting prices, applying discounts, and implementing dual pricing is a breeze with Sound POS. Whether you're running a promotional sale or offering discounts to loyal customers, the software allows you to manage pricing dynamically, providing flexibility and enhancing your marketing strategies. Now, let's talk about data. Sound POS provides detailed analytics and reporting tools. It gives you insights into sales trends, customer preferences, and the performance of different products. Armed with this information, you can make informed decisions to grow your business. Require extra functionalities like POS migration or tobacco rebates? Sound POS provides a diverse range of features catering to every customer, be it in retail or food trucks. Contact us today to get started.